I'm so happy. So the Lolas Ashes team have surprised me with a night out tomorrow, and one of the other surprises that they sent me was an ASOS voucher so that I could buy myself an outfit to wear to my night out. We've got a box. I'm famous. I'm going to an event, darling. I'm going to an event. Your carriage awaits at 6:45. Prosecco, candle, mirror, eyelash curler, eyelash tweezers, chocolate, the amber lash kit. Oh. So I thought it would be a good idea to bring my sister with me to the Lola's Lashes event.
Everyone out there, put your Prosecco in the fridge.
This is my life now. I drive in cars with fridges.
How much more can you take before a mental breakdown? We're saying there's nothing stopping us now. We're slipping close to the edge, making us feel so alive.
I'm home after my wonderful night out courtesy of Lola's Lashes. First night out in my new Lola's Lashes, the amber set, and they did not disappoint. Look at these. I had such a wonderful time, I can't even explain. I'm so happy.
We got